Now that you're registered for Tack Swap, let's add some items. Log back in and go to Manage Items. Add Manual, select Category. There are so many categories to choose from, but we're going to add a saddle first. So scroll all the way down a little bit more, and there it is. Add the size. As you can see, there are several size options for every category. Then we're going to put in the brand and then the description. Next, you'll select your price and whether you're going to discount or donate. You have the option to have your item be discounted to 50% off on the last day, or donate it to charity, meaning you will not be returning to pick it up. And that's it. It's that simple.